In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Kia Optima key fob. You don't need any special tools or knowledge to do this. It's really easy, just follow along. If you have this model, that means you are using an Optima between 2006 and 2013, and you will need one of these CR2032 batteries. So the first step is just to look on the top of the device here. You can see that little indentation. Take a flathead screwdriver. You can also use a coin, anything that can fit in there, because we're going to be twisting to separate the two halves of this device. So hold the device firmly and twist until you hear a little cracking sound. And now you can just pull the two pieces apart with your fingers. Here is our 2032 battery. We're going to take the same tool and push it up from the bottom, just being careful. Gently push it until you can remove it with your fingers. There it is. And go ahead and get rid of this one. Take a new 2032 battery. Make sure this positive side goes face up, just like this, and slide it back into place. Now, just click the two pieces back together, and you are good to go. That's all it takes. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, you can let us know in the comments section or by giving us a like. And if you ever need to change another battery in your key fob, you can find more videos on how to do this for any maker model on our YouTube channel here or at our website, fobbattery.com.